Soaring through the skies, airplanes are marvels of modern engineering. With their sleek fuselages and powerful wings, they defy gravity, carrying passengers and cargo at incredible speeds. The hustle and bustle at the airport, the anticipation of takeoff, and the thrill to look down upon the world from 40,000 feet all creates an unforgettable experience. Boeing, a multinational corporation that designs, manufactures, and sells airplanes worldwide. It plays a significant role in defense and security. The diverse portfolio has helped make Boeing a leader in global aerospace industry. Airbus, on the other hand, is a renowned multinational corporation. There are different types of airplanes you may fly in. From the world-class double-decker which carries hundreds of passengers to the regional jets, the world of aviation is indeed fascinating. Today, we are going to travel and explore these fascinating aviation birds and how to identify them. The Airbus A380 doesn't really need much of an explanation. The only full two-deck aircraft flying today, the A380 is easily identified. There are approximately 130 Airbus A380 aircrafts in operation worldwide. Production of A380 has now ended and the last aircraft was delivered to Emirates in December 2021. Next down in size is the iconic Boeing 747. Several airlines are still flying the 747, but it is on its way out. The 747, of course, is easily identified with its 4 engines and unique partial upper deck. The larger 747 can be identified by its long upper deck with more windows. Boeing stopped producing 747s. The last one was delivered in January 2023. Next in line is the Airbus A340. This is the third quad-jet aircraft flying. This is a wide-body single-deck aircraft, the only one you will see today with 4 engines.